When I first treated my Sibo, I made one of the biggest mistakes I commonly see Sibo patients make, and that is that I spent all my time focusing on the Sibo treatment and the Sibo diet, but I did not think at all about how to repair and recover my very damaged gut, nor did I look at the underlying causes of why my small intestine failed in the first place. Dr. Alison Siebecker estimates that 2/3 of all Sibo patients will relapse with Sibo. And my hypothesis is that it's because people are not addressing their underlying causes and fixing them, or attempting to fix them if they can't fix them. And this is exactly what I did. Within 6 months of a very successful treatment plan, I had relapsed with Sibo, and I was absolutely devastated about it. So what can you do to prevent relapsing? Well, like I said, it's all about the underlying causes. Now, Sibo is because we have failed in our motility, that is the movement of passing through food and matter and bacteria down and out from the small intestine to the large intestine. And it can also be because we have a structural change in the anatomy of the small intestine. Sometimes you can have both. You can be lucky like me. Now, motility changes, the number one cause is food poisoning, and we now know that food poisoning can set you up for damage to the nerve function and therefore the migrating motor complex of the small intestine. And if you've had any type of damage or injury to the abdominal area, such as surgeries, accidents, illnesses, disease, then that can change the structure of the small intestine. So not only have I had multiple episodes of food poisoning over my life, but I've also had multiple surgeries. I've had surgeries for endometriosis, I had my appendix removed, and I've also now recently had an emergency cesarean. If you'd like to learn more about how you can prevent a relapse or prolong a relapse, I'd love you to join my Living Well with Sibo 5-week challenge. It starts on the 26th of September or the 25th of September if you're in the US, and we go all through how you can prevent relapsing with Sibo. I'd love to have you in the group. Click the link to learn more.